Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the angular velocity units. Here is an example. Let's first start by writing this angular velocity 120 revolutions per hour in fraction form. And the radians per minute is the unit of our final answer. We know that 1 revolution is equivalent to 2 pi radians. We need to have the 2 pi radians in the numerator. Then naturally, the 1 revolution will be the denominator. Next, let's convert from 1 hour to minutes. Since we want minutes in the denominator, let's write the 60 minutes in the denominator first. And we all know 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Naturally, 1 hour will go up in the numerator. Next, we're going to cancel the units, revolution, revolutions, hour, and hour, and also the factor 60. Cancel factor 60, we have a factor 2 left. And the exact answer looks like 4 pi radians per minute. Now, if you want to approximate this value, that'll be about 13 radians per minute. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video.